Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Everything about Iberian lynx. Iberian lynx pardnus have a coat color of yellowish to reddish brown, patterned with many dark brown or black spots of varying size. There are 3 distinct individual coat patterns, and the belly fur is lightly colored. They have the typical look of the lynx species, with a small head, flared facial ruff, long legs, dark ear tufts, and a very short, dark-tipped tail. The facial ruff of adults is more distinct than that of other adult lynx species. They are only about half the size of the Eurasian lynx. Males average about 27% larger than females. They are closer in size to the Canadian lynx canadensis and the bobcat lynx rufus. Distribution. Iberian lynx are found only in 2 small areas of southwest Spain on the Iberian Peninsula, west of the Pyrenees Mountains. Despite extensive surveys, they have not been detected in Portugal since the 1990s. Closely related to the Eurasian lynx, their ranges used to meet at the Spanish-French border along the Pyrenees Mountains. More recently, the range of the Iberian lynx has significantly contracted. Now consists of a series of small islands of suitable natural habitat, such as national parks and reserves. Home ranges in Donana National Park 9.5 square kilometers for females, and 18.2 square kilometers for males. Male territories overlap those of several females. Habitat. The Iberian lynx lives in Mediterranean forests composed of native oaks and abundant undergrowth and thickets. It favors a mixture of dense scrub for shelter and open pasture for hunting. They are usually absent from cropland and exotic tree plantations where rabbits are also scarce. In the Donana National Park, the majority of resting spots of lynx during the day were located in thick heather scrub. Suitable breeding dens and water are important habitat features for the Iberian lynx. Ecology. These cats prefer areas of native Mediterranean woodlands with native oaks and abundant undergrowth. More than 90% of daytime rest sites are in thick heather scrub. Adult lynx require 1 rabbit per day, but females with kittens need 3 each day. 75 to 93% of their diet in Donana National Park is the European rabbit. Only when the rabbit population crashes due to viral outbreaks, do they look to other prey such as small rodents, birds, and the young of wild boar, red deer, fallow deer, and wild sheep. Iberian lynx show a great deal of seasonal and individual variation in activity levels. In summer they are nocturnal and crepuscular, but in winter they are active during the daylight hours. Their overall activity patterns are closely synchronized with that of the rabbits. Reproduction. Mating season runs from December to February. 1 to 4, usually 2 to 3, kittens are born after a gestation period of 60 to 70 days. Females choose small cavities as breeding dens. The peak birthing season is March and April in central and southern Spain. Kittens stay in the natal den for the first 20 days, after which their mother moves them to as many as 3 or 4 other dens. It may also help avoid parasite buildup in any single den. Kittens are eating solid food by 28 days but will nurse for 3 to 4 months, becoming independent around 10 months of age. Females with their own territory are able to breed at 2 years of age, but independent kittens often remain in their mother's territory until 20 months of age. Males and females usually don't breed until they acquire their own territory, and they may have to wait until a resident animal dies, or moves on. Iberian lynx have lived to 13 years of age in the wild. Threats. Habitat destruction and alteration due to agricultural and industrial development. Conversion of native Mediterranean forest to plantations with no undergrowth. Direct persecution. Killed by automobiles. Caught illegally or hunted with dogs. Killed in traps set for other predators. Conservation. The Iberian, or Spanish, lynx is currently one of the most endangered wild cat species in the world. Between 1985 and 2001, their range declined by 87% and the number of breeding females dropped by more than 90%. By 2000, they existed in 2 small populations, 70 to 80 cats in the south of Andalusia and 170 to 180 individuals in the Sierra Morena. Their numbers were decimated by rapid habitat loss, with scrublands converted to agriculture and pine and eucalyptus plantations. Human development such as dams, highways and railways also encroached on their native habitat. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.